Are you tired of standing in the cold kitchen floor? Got something in that I hope will fix that problem. This is a kitchen rug set. We're going to get it opened up and take a look at it and see what we think about it. This was gifted to me to give y'all my opinion of it. By the way, my name is Brandon from Grandpa's Random Reviews. I check out stuff so you will have an informed decision before making your purchase. Just like this right here. If you're looking at this, watch this. It's really nice feeling. It has a waterproof backing on it, so you don't have to worry about spilling something that's soaking through and messing up the floor. Plus, it's got that rubber backing, that's the waterproofness. It keeps it from sliding. That will be nice. There's our care instructions here. It is machine washable. It is do not bleach though. Wash at or below 30 degrees Celsius. I want to get it opened up and kind of spread it out so you can kind of check it out, and then we're going to take it in there and set it in the kitchen floor and see what it looks like. I'm pretty impressed right now. It feels really soft. There's that rubber backing on it. I don't think that will slide at all. Content 100% polyester, face 100% TPR back. Care instructions, machine washable, use mild soap. Has your care instructions right there. Now this is a two-piece set. I don't really remember what the measurements are, but I got a tape measure right here. We can find out. It is 2 foot wide, and we're just gonna kind of ballpark it here. Or almost 5 foot long on that one. Let's see what the other one is. I think that'll look all right in my kitchen floor. It's not real heavy. Get our tape measure here. This one's a smaller one. Same width. And this one is 3 foot long. So what was it, 2 by 3? Yeah, 2 by 3. Let's take it in the kitchen and check it out and see what it looks like. Stick around. Okay, I'm going to sit it right here. See what it looks like. Oh, that don't slide. Ooh, that don't slide at all. Actually, I think I may put the long one right here because that would cover the stove and the refrigerator, and the short one would cover the sink over there. I really don't know how you're supposed to do this. I guess you can do it any way you want to. Let's grab that long one. We'll go ahead and line this one up right here by the stove. That don't slide though, I can tell you. Look at that. I know you can't tell that I'm pulling. If you lift it up a little and pull it, you just lay it right there, that ain't going nowhere. That's soft too. I got house shoes on, let's see. Oh yeah. That'll be nice. Don't have to worry about my feet getting cold on this cold tile floor. We'll grab the other one, we'll put it right over here in front of the kitchen sink there. Now you can put these things in front of your couch in your living room. You can put it in an entry hallway by your front door, in front of a washing machine, washer and dryer, whatever you want to do. I think it'd be looking good right there. We could almost go corner to corner right there. But I want to leave it in front of the sink some there. I like that. We'll line it up, make it look all pretty. Now how does that look, y'all? What do y'all think? How should we do this? You can do it any way you want to, I reckon. I think I'm going to flip-flop it. How's that, y'all? I think that looks pretty good, other than the tag sticking out over here. There we go. Now being in front of this sink, you want to make sure that whatever you put here is waterproof. And this says that it's waterproof and it won't soak through. So here, let's see what that does. That's crazy to put water on a brand new rug and look at that. Dries the bone back here. It's not going to soak through that. That's some good rubber backing there. Waterproof, won't slide. I guess you could say it's slide proof. It's going to be nice. Definitely a thumbs up. I like it. So what do y'all think? What's y'all's thoughts on it? Y'all like it? Let me know. Put a comment down in the comment section. But anyway, there it is. Waterproof, doesn't slide. Most importantly, it's going to keep your feet warm in the wintertime. That's what I'm looking forward to. Not standing on this cold tile floor. You got any kind of value at all out of this video? Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. And by the way, I'll leave a link down in the description so you can check these out for yourself and decide if you want to order you some. I don't think you'll go wrong. I think you'll like them. If they fit where they need to go in your kitchen, or living room, or entryway, or entry hall, or in front of your washer and dryer. I think you'll find a nice place for them. And they do come in different colors too. Anyway, definitely a thumbs up. I like it. What else can I say? I am an Amazon associate. Any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.